Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video, I am going to explain free internship for freshers and experienced candidates who are looking for a good opportunities in cloud platform. They just finished this internship, means it will be helpful for in getting a job quickly, and it will be looking in your resume like one of a branded resume. So I am going to explain fully. So watch the video till end. This is all about directly Google sponsored for cloud AWS with hiring partners with so many companies, and this is what the 30 days of cloud experiment program they are conducting, and the registrations are only 3 days left. You just want to register with your email ID, and the thing which is this is what the Google developer communicate across Australia and India represent 30 days of cloud they are providing here. We are welcome to 30-day cloud, as they are mentioning about the program offers you the opportunity to learn artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud technologies on Google Cloud Platform on 1 month for free access Google Cloud skills. They are providing Google Cloud skills for 1 month free. We kick a start on 15th and run up to 14th August. So as much 30 days they are conducting, don't miss it. And the part of program participant will be Cloud Bubbles with announced shortly. In this program, we will reside in Australia and New Zealand. Hit the link below to register. So it is conducting from directly to Australia and New Zealand. So why should you be a part of this 30 days group? They are mentioning why you should learn. Almost 700 hands-on lab, certificate, resource skill, and 180 learning path opportunity to learn alongside with the passionate developers, and preferred skill to add it in your LinkedIn and CV, which I told already. The chance to win a Google swag upon 3 out of 5 quads. You may get a good opportunities in companies, always a gift tiers. They are providing this much unupset, and tier complete at least 3 quads. You are having a cap on Google Cloud Platform for access 1 month. Tier complete at least 5 quads of 5 Google bottle and cloud, everything they are providing. This all the topics they are going to cover in this 30 days, which I told already. Perform foundation in data, machine learning, artificial intelligence in cloud, automated interactive contact center, inside data and BigQuery, engineering data, learning path, creativity, baseline database, BigQuery, understanding MI and BigQuery market analysis, intro to machine learning language process, introduction to MI language process, intermediate machine learning. All over, if you are paid also, they won't teach like this. They separated the learning path into 24 modules and they are provided. So don't miss this opportunity. If you are not interested, so no problem. If your friend having a good knowledge in cloud is ready to learn cloud platform, just send this video and show them to register first of all. After finished 1 month, you may get a clear idea about the cloud, whether we can study or not, which is the sponsored by Google, one of the number 1 MNC in all over world, not only in India. So Google sponsor with experts from Australia and New Zealand. They are providing for 1 month live classes and 18 to 24 models they are going to cover, plus 170 hands-on project they are going to conduct. So in this, if you have done any one project, if you are added in your LinkedIn or in your resume, so it will be helpful for you while picking a shortlisting your resume in a company. You may get a job quickly. So don't miss this opportunity. If you have missed, means you won't get it. Only 3 days left. Just to forward your friends as much you can, those who are looking for a good internships for 1 month, which is going to hire in their future, which is going to help in future. So many kind of things I can say. So this is what the good opportunity, guys. Don't miss it, and it will be helpful for your future. If you missed out, means you got the bad luck for the year I have just saying. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section.